the summer of love.
So students, in this video we will learn about how to format the data. Now formatting means to make changes of the data to make it more legible, attractive, so that it's very eye-catchy for everybody. Okay, normally we do it in MS Word also, MS PowerPoint also. We can do the same in MS Excel as well. So one by one we will see how to format data. Okay, now as I told you what is format data, now I will be showing you practically how you can change the outlook of your entire data. So we will start with changing the size of the data. As you can see in my screen, I have selected, already have written some data where number, candidate name, exam ID, marks and percentages there. But it looks very small. So what we can do, everything we will do after selection. So how we select? We move the mouse cursor over here, press and hold the left mouse button and drag it. See, the selected part is highlighted with blue color. Now in the home tab, under the font group, we have font and font size. So we will change the size according to our need. See, it's increasing. I hope you can see. I can increase it. See, I have increased it. I will make it 20. But see, something has happened. Now you will tell me, sir, we cannot see the entire text. It happens. Whenever you increase the size of the text, the cells are not capable of holding all the text at the same time. Not to worry, we can make changes over here. What we can do, this is our cursor looking like a doctor plus sign. We will bring our cursor over here. See, I am bringing the cursor over here. See, it has changed. The cursor was like that. The cursor was like that. Now if I bring it here, it has changed. Okay, so I will make it here like that, and I will double click and it will take the adequate space. I will double click, and what it will do, it will make the space adequate for the entire data. Okay, I hope you have understood. So again I will tell you, if you bring your cursor over here and double click it, the entire data will take its adequate space. So what I can do, I will again select and I can reduce the size. I can reduce the size like that. See, I have reduced the size. So this is the way you can increase the size. In the same way, the selection is already done. I can change its font. So I can see, make changes. See at the background something is changing. Everything is changing because I am working with the font. This is the font. I can make changes like that. Okay, this is how we can make changes in font and size. And even we can make, let's make it normal. Let's say this this one. Okay, why I am doing like that? So now I will do some bold things. Now I will select them, make it bold. I will select them, I will make it bold, or I will make them italics, little bit slanted. See, it has become little bit slanted. Or I will select them, I can make them underlined. So all the options which you have used in MS Word and PowerPoint, you can do the same thing. Now what else can be done? We can change its alignment. Now alignment means the position of the text. If we position them in a proper way, we can make them look very good. Okay, so I will make it Calibri only. Now by default, the text, this is a text and this is a number. By default, all the text are aligned towards the right side, and by default all the numbers are aligned towards the right. Sorry, my mistake. By default, all the text are aligned towards the left side, and by default all the numbers are aligned towards the right side. At the top, number, candidate, exam ID, marks, point, percentage, they all are text. That is why they align towards the left. But these numbers are aligned towards the right. We can change the alignment. It's by default. We can make changes. So I will select the entire thing and I can make them center. See, it has become at the center, or towards the right, or towards the left. These are three alignment buttons we have. Then what else we can do? I will insert extra cell. Insert extra row. So here if I write like say details, and see, if I see a print preview of them, if I see the print preview of them like that. Okay, so if you see the print preview, see the details is coming over here. I want it to the center, or because if you want all this particular option to be centered for these data range. Okay, let me explain it more simply. Like this is a heading for your entire data. The heading should be at the center. We always look like the heading should be at the center. We normally write like that, but it is written in this particular cell. It cannot come over here, cannot come over here or here. We can separately write, but it will take much time. So what we can do, we will select them and we will go to this particular option, merge and center. What it will do, it will merge, how many cells was there, 1 2 3 4 5. It will merge the 5 cells and it will bring the content of the cell to the center. Now I can increase its size. I can increase its size. Okay, I can do whatever like I did for rest of the content, and if I see, now it has came at the center of the page. Okay, and this is how you can make them merge and center. With that, what else we can do, we can color the cells. We can these are cells, no, we can color the cells. Just select the cell and make a color from here, like yellow. Select them, make a color, let's say red. Okay, we can color the cells like that. Let's undo it. Okay, let's undo them. Why? Because I will show you how to color the texts as well. Whatever the text is written in the cell, we can color them through here. We can make them yellow, we can make them red, we can make them blue. Whatever color you like, you can play with them. Okay, so we can color both the cell and the text inside it. Okay, again I am undoing it. Now see, these border I have already added. It should not have been. Normally, let me tell you, when you do any work, it stays like that only, without any border. When you do any work in MS Excel, it stays like that only. Okay, so there is no border. We can add borders according to our need. So again, we have to select the content, go to this home tab, font section. Here there are many options. Out of this, if you use outside border, thick box border, so there will be a thick box border around it. Let's see, thick box border. Or what we can do, we can do one thing, we can select it and we can apply all borders, and all the borders will be, let me just change it, just let's write it marks, so that it will come inside the page. It has come. Now if you see it, see, all pages are being bordered. Okay, including the heading also. Okay, now next what we have, we can change the number format. Excel gives you option of 12 kind of number formats. Each number formats, what it does, the description is written, like number gives the normal number way, currency adds a dollar sign, we can change the signs also, accounting adds a percentage sign, date and time, all this. These all are not necessary for you. I'll give you one example, like I'll select these. As you can see, it's a general number format. If you click on this one, account currency, see, a dollar sign has been added. Do you see it? And with decimal points also. And again, if you select and make it general, it will be like that only. So this is how you can make it accounting. See, or sorry, it should have been currency, like that. So here, do you see, after decimal, if I increase it, and let me increase the page. So after decimal, there are two places. We can increase and decrease the decimals from here. We can increase the decimal, see, decimal has been increased, or we can decrease the decimals. See, decimals are decreased. Okay, we can do it from here according to our need. These are how to make it more attractive and beautiful. These all are not necessary. What I meant to show that these are all things we can do. And we can apply themes also. There are already predefined themes. We can apply themes by going to page layout and then apply themes. So there, see, the fonts and everything will be changed. They are predefined themes. So like this, we can change the theme, and even we can make changes in the cell styles also. See, because this one is selected, let me select the entire one and then go to always remember, whatever you want to do, select the entire thing, and then according to it, everything will be changed. See, everything is changes according to it. Okay, everything is changing according to it. I will now keep it normal only. Why? Because the most important thing which I'm going to show you now will be conditional formatting. Now conditional formatting means it will format the data depending on certain condition. Let me select out of this because there are some percentages now. So let me select those percentages. Then I will, first you have to select. I have selected, go to in the home tab under style section we have conditional formatting, and we have many options. First we will understand the first option, highlight cell rules. That means it will highlight cell depending on some rule. What? Let's say greater than. So this small window will come. So if I see there are many numbers, what it will do, it will highlight the cells which has got more than 80 percentage. And with what color? Here there are many color option, or light red fill, a light red fill with dark red text. I will select this and see those which has the students who have got more than 80, the cells are highlighted. That doesn't mean that you cannot apply more conditional formatting over here. We can apply more. So I will select it again, and again I will go to conditional formatting, and again now not greater than, I will do less than. So less than, let's see 80. So जिन्होंने 80 से कम स्कोर किया है उनका मैं अलग से कलर दूंगा, like green fill. So and I'll click OK. So those who are less than 80, okay, less than 80, because 80 is not selected. Why? Because I had given less than, I had not given less than equal to. So what else we can do? So we will select again, and here we will go. If I want to clear it, click on clear rules. Clear rules from the selected cell or for the entire sheet? From the selected cell, of course, because I have selected the cell, I don't want it from entire sheet. तो entire sheet में जितने सारे conditional formatting होंगे वो सारे clear हो जाएंगे. I don't want that. I want clear it from selected cells, and I will click it here. So what I will do, I will select again, I will go to conditional formatting. Now between or equal to, like let's say equal to, those who are equal to, let's say 90, and I will click on OK. I can change the color from here, red text like that, or green fill with dark text, yellow fill. You can do custom format also. From here also you can choose all of your colors and all like that. So we don't worry about this. From here only we normally do, and we will click like that. So this is conditional formatting. There are more things need to be understand in Excel, because Excel is limitless. There are many things we will learn in Excel. For this, today we understood how to format data by using going through some simple options, like its font size, font style, then bold, italics, and the cell color, the text color, the alignments, and one extra thing let me tell you. We can do one thing, we can select the text, and these are the options in the cell where it will be at the top like that. Now it will not change. Like if I increase its size, depth, so here if I select, now you will understand it is going at the top, then the center, then is the bottom. So we can do all like this. So that's all for this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe my channel, and whenever I upload a new video you get the notification of it. So stay tuned and watch for my videos. Thank you.